Easy as pie, lemon, apple or cherry. Loving you is so very sweet, sweet, sweet. How can it be such a piece of cake? And your smile is the icing. Loving you is a party. It's sweet, sweet, sweet. How can it be? And you make my candy-coated heart melt. When you take my hand and I am under your spell. Baby, I crave your affection. When I stepped in sweet confection, honey, you're my sugar. I'm pleased as punch, whether spiked or sparkling. You make me tipsy and bubbly. If you're dessert, I want the last course first. Oh, I love all your candy kisses, and I'm addicted. Oh, 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 I have just one love. You make my candy-coated heart melt.
お箸がない。
When you take my hand and I am under your spell. Oh, and you make my candy-coated heart race. When you take my hand and we go stargaze. Baby, I crave your affection. When I stepped in sweet confection, honey, you're my sugar.
手の箸がない。
Baby, I crave your affection. When I stepped in sweet confection, honey, you're my sugar. 手で食べるしかない。はい。はい。ゆっくり食べてよ。俺もゆっくり食べる。最悪だ。エマのじゃないエマのじゃないよ。じゃない。片付けるだけじゃない。終わり。エマWait, wait. Okay. Good. Wait. Wait. Wait.牛タンカワロン
おー、大丈夫です。ステイ。大丈夫。ああ、大丈夫。Where from?
Virginia.
Yeah?
Virginia.
Virginia. Ah. First time? Tourist? Tourist?
No, I live here.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Really? When?
Chibana?
Chibana. Ah. A base.
Yes.
Oh, really? Ah, good. Today is a holiday?
I'm off for today.
Off day? Ah, good.
Your day off today?
Yeah, no. Work.
Okay.
Work, yes. Now it's break. Lunchtime. Always with me.
Can I cut?
Can I what?
Can I cut?
Oh, yes, okay. Okay.
Hi.
You like a dog?
Yes.
Really? You have
I have 2 cats.
2 cats? Oh, really?
Yes.
She swims always.
Oh yeah, what's her name?
Every time. Emma.
Emma. Nice to meet you, Emma. Yeah, I can see. He's wet.
Yeah. Already a swim.
You're so pretty.
How long did you stay here?
2.5 years already.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're leaving soon. Yeah, in April.
Where?
Don't know yet.
Oh, really?
No. My husband.
Nobody knows.
He's in the army, so it depends.
Mm-hmm.
I want to go to Germany next,
Germany. Ah.
but
You want to go?
but it doesn't. Hi. What's your name?
My name? Shingo.
Shingo.
Yes.
Chris.
Chris. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Before I work with a woman who is American, United States. She lives in the Navy camp. Maybe near Cadena.
Cadena?
Yes. She always commute from Cadena to Nago City.
Oh, that's a long drive.
Yes.
Here, it took me 1 hour just to drive here.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, long time. I have a Pajero Mini.
But
I have a
Pajero.
Yeah.
Mitsubishi.
So I don't go on the expressway. There's-
No! Be careful.
Hi.
She wants to play with you.
Oh, she's so cute.
Thank you.
She's good behavior. She's a good dog.
Thank you. Very clever.
You're smart. You're so
Yes.
smart.
She can dog spot with this
Oh,
dog
fetch.
agility.
Oh.
She can do it.
You're so pretty. Yes.
Emma.
She doesn't speak English.
Hey, she knows the English because command. I use the command English.
Oh, really?
Sit.
Oh,
Young.
so good.
Emma, sit. Sit. Sit.
Good puppy.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna keep walking.
Okay.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Sit. Down. Good.